Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. God notch holes, get the force.
Hello, everyone. Today, I've got an amazing video for you, and it's especially helpful for new business owners and e-commerce site owners. As you saw in the title, this video is all about AI fashion models and other powerful AI tools. If you're thinking of starting your own clothing brand, or if you already have a business on social media or your own website, you might be worried about the high cost of doing a photo shoot with expensive fashion models. And it doesn't stop there. You also have to pay for the photographer and editor, right? Well, I found the perfect solution for you. With this, you can reduce your shooting costs by up to 95%, and you can even choose an AI model that perfectly matches your products. So guys, the perfect solution is aoGen. It's an all-in-one e-commerce creative solution packed with powerful AI image tools. With this website, you can use the AI model tool to showcase clothing with a variety of models that perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. It also offers auxiliary features like upscale, hand repair, repaint, and the eraser pen. I'll guide you on how to make your clothing brand more powerful and creative using these tools. All you need are simple photos of yourself or a friend wearing the clothes, and the tool will transform them into amazing models. So let's dive in and see how it works. All right, first head over to the website using the link in the description. From there, you can log in either with your email or by using Google. After login, you'll see this interface. From here, you can navigate through all the features using the left menu. Now let's go ahead and try out the AI model feature. To get started, click the plus icon to add a task. Then, as I mentioned earlier, you'll need to upload a photo of yourself or someone else wearing your brand's clothing. Once the image is uploaded, you can select your desired output size, choose a model from here, and pick a background from the scene section. All right, now you can see that the image has been uploaded and the character in the image is masked with a blue color. This means you can change the background while keeping the person in the photo. So if you want to swap out the background, it's super easy to do. If you only want to change the background, simply select the scene and click Generate. But if you want to change the model as well, you'll need to click Edit Mask and select the clothes and other wearables that you wish to keep on your generated images. So I clicked on Reset, then selected the pant, top, and sunglasses. After making your selections, just click Save. Okay, after that, I kept the aspect ratio as the original size, selected Olivia as my model, and chose Street as the scene. Now, let's click Generate to see our first result. Wow. It's amazing, right? Let's take a closer look. Okay, now if you want to change the model or scene, just click Edit, make your changes, and then click Generate to see the updated result. Nice. That's how the AI model feature works. Now let's try a different dress with the AI model to understand it better. Okay, just like before, click the plus icon and upload the image. Now click on Edit Mask, then click Reset and select the dress. Also, guys, don't forget to select all the areas of the dress, as it may change the dress if you forget to select the whole thing. After that, I'll select Lily as our model and garden as the scene. So beautiful. Let's take a closer look. Great. Let's try the same one with a different model. Okay, now you see how it works and you probably have a good idea of how you can use it, right? So let's take a look at how you can use other tools like hand repair and the eraser pen. All right, you might have noticed something went wrong with the model's hand, right? And there's also a watermark on the image. So first we're gonna learn how to fix the hand using the hand repair tool. To do that, click the Send to button and then select Send to Hand Repair. Then you'll be redirected to the hand repair tool and a new task will be created. Just click on it to get started. So here you need to draw over the model's hand like this, then select the model's gender, and then click Generate to see the result. See guys, now the hand is generated perfectly, but as you can see, the watermark is still there. So to remove the watermark, click the Send to button and select Send to Eraser Pen. Now, navigate to the specific task, and you just need to paint over the watermark, then click Generate to see the result. Awesome. Now you can see the hand is fixed, and the watermark has been removed. Let's compare our previous result with the new one. Okay, let's try the upscale tool. To use it, simply click Send to upscale for the generated image. But if you want to upscale an image from your computer, navigate to the upscale tool, click on the plus icon, and upload the image. Great. Let's take a closer look. Okay guys, it's time to try out the final tool, the Repaint tool. Let's check out what it can do. First, navigate to the Repaint tool, then click the plus icon and upload the image. Now imagine you want the model to wear shoes. Okay, it's pretty simple to do with the Repaint tool. Just paint over her legs and type a prompt like white shoes. So guys, I'm just using this as an example. You can do anything with the Repaint tool. For example, you can add jewelry, hats, and much more. Wow, that's amazing. So guys, that's how the Repaint tool works. I hope you now have a good understanding of aoGen and its features. You can try it for free by visiting the link in the description. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back with a new tutorial soon. For now, goodbye.